Hello, today I'm going to show you how to get an AI manga filter on TikTok. Let's start. Open up the TikTok. Click on search icon. Then search here AI manga. From the effects, click on the video icon to use the effect. Once the filter is loaded, upload a photo to apply the filter. When you upload the photo, you can see the AI manga filter is working on it. It turns the picture into an AI manga. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this. And explain me how we're solving new problems every day.